add a cup of green moong dal or green gram to a pressure cooker. Add some water and then add 2 large scraped potatoes to it. Finally add a tablespoon salt to it and then cover the cooker lid. Note that the green gram was not soaked previously. Pressure cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles in medium flame. To prepare pani, you will need half a tablespoon pepper, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon Pani Puri masala, a cup of dates and jaggery in equal proportion, 3 green chilies and a bunch of coriander and mint leaves. Transfer all these ingredients to a grinder and grind them finely into a paste. Do not add the Pani Puri masala to the grinder. Add some water to the grinded paste and strain the mixture into a bowl. Adjust the consistency of pani by adding some water. Now add the Pani Puri masala to it and salt as per taste. To plate Pani Puri, you would need the boiled green gram, finely cut onion, mashed potatoes, finely cut coriander, save for garnishing, and the Pani Puris. Let's plate the Pani Puri. Take a puri and pop it out. Then add some boiled green gram to it. Then add the boiled potato. Add some chopped onions on top of it. Then some chopped coriander. Garnish it with save on top. Add pani as per your taste. Enjoy the delicious Pani Puri prepared at home. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video. If you like this one, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.